Welcome to ABP Live Auto Awards 3rd edition, an award for the Autonauts, of the Autonauts and by the Autonauts. We have Ejaz with us, and congratulations Ejaz for winning the Car of the Year Mahindra Roxx.
Thank you so
Roxx
much.
really rocks. So are you an Autonaut?
Absolutely.
Please tell me how.
It takes a lot to be an autonaut, and you need to eat, live, drink cars all the time, and that's what it takes for someone to be close to the Thar brand and to be an autonaut 100%.
What was the core vision behind designing Roxx?
Thar has a unique, peculiar design, which is the core authentic SUV design that we say. The thing behind designing it was, how do you make it modern, more appealing to the people, and yet it has its own core SUV style design. So when a child in school draws an SUV, he draws something which is very close to what a Thar could be eventually. So that's what Thar designed.
And I think that everybody has a love in their heart for Thar. Har Ghar Thar, as we all were talking about. I want to know your memory of Thar. Like, you have a Thar, you must have been going on drives and everything. Tell us one good memory of Thar.
When I joined Mahindra many years back, first time I was taken for an off-road adventure, and that was my first time experience. And we're sitting in a Thar. Back then it was the old generation Thar, and the first time there was an undulation and the wheels went up and you were hanging, and the way you were holding just by the seat belt of the car, and you were on one side and you could feel the terrain and everything where this car could go. It's absolutely phenomenal. I think words can't express what this car can do, and I think Thar is a car which there is an autonaut somewhere hidden, which takes the Thar is something that extracts the autonaut.
I think triggers the autonaut in you.
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you so much, Ejaz, for being with us, and congratulations for winning the Car of the Year. And Thar, as I said, Thar rocks, really rocks, guys.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
And we call it Thar of the Year.
Yeah, Thar of the Year.